Hey, okay, so just a quick walkthrough of how to use our Norwex mop to clean the floors. Right now it has the dry chenille mop pad on it, but this is actually the mop that I use. Oh, here's the ceiling. Because it's got the cleaner in it. It has the spray mop attachment, but you don't need that for when you're dry mopping, but you do use that when you're wet mopping. So first, I'm gonna just quick give a little dry mop to the area. You can do the whole main floor and just brush any huge chunks that you've got into a corner. They can be picked up afterwards. Okay, so once that's done, I'll pick that up after, but I want to show you how the mop pads change. Okay, so the mop pad, it's Velcro, just comes off, and then you get this blue pad. There are some champagne colored pads that are the same, but you'll notice on the tag it will say, where is it? Here it is. It says wet. I don't know if you can see that, yeah. There. It says wet on the mop pad. So that's the wet mop pad. So I'm going to simply get that mop pad wet. Bring it out. Roll it right out. Okay, so it's not like dripping all over the place. I simply throw it down on the floor. Hold it back here so you guys can see. Toss it on the floor. Grab my mop. Just kind of guide it to my toe there. And there we go. Now to use the spray mop attachment, which will have usually our probiotic floor and hard surface cleaner in it, or sometimes I use the bright white or the Powerzyme diluted in water in there. Whatever's usually got at least some in there, so that's all you really need. You just hold it upright and spray. That's all you do. And then you just give a quick little mop. It's that easy. If you need a little bit more spray, no problem. Here's a chunk tossed in the corner. And it's that easy. And look at how much that picked up. Right? Like, pretty gross, right? So as long as we keep up with this daily, then it doesn't turn into a really big problem. Okay, so I'm just gonna rinse this mop pad. Okay. And if it's really gengy, I just press and rub it to release all of that gunk, all the dirt and debris. Give it a good rinse, bring it out, and then I can keep on mopping, or if I'm done, then I just hang it over the center of the sink here to dry. Okay? That's it. It's pretty easy, right? So I've got my netted dishcloth here. I'm just getting it wet. Wringing it out super well. And we're gonna go pick up that pile that we made when we were mopping and toss it in the trash. Okay, so you guys can see my pile. Sorry, I accidentally clicked stop recording, but you guys can see my pile of chunks here. Okay, I'm just using the netted dishcloth to scoop all of that up. And then I just shake it into the trash. Okay, so that's all gone. Bring it over to the garbage here. Shake the big chunks out into the trash. I dropped one, no problem. It's in the garbage. Now I just go rinse this out. It's really that easy. There we go. So So I can keep using this, but I'm actually going to go toss it in the wash because I've got a load that's going right now. It's actually paused. So I'll just toss it in, press play. And now my mudroom floors are all clean. So I'm just going to go ahead and go do my kitchen and my playroom now.